Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Dreame Matrix10 Ultra ranks number 1 thanks to its unmatched automation and cleaning power. With massive 30,000 Pascal suction, intelligent AI navigation, and an innovative multi-mop system, it delivers deep, hygienic cleaning with minimal effort, making it ideal for large, modern homes. For more information, top 5 best robot vacuums in 2026, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 1. Dreame Matrix10 Ultra. The Dreame Matrix10 Ultra is an advanced flagship robot vacuum and mop that elevates automated home cleaning with cutting-edge features. It delivers powerful 30,000 Pascal suction for deep debris and pet fur removal and uses smart AI and 3D structured light navigation to map your home while avoiding obstacles like cables and shoes. Its standout innovation is the Multi-Mop switching system, which automatically selects from 3 specialized mop pads and cleaning solutions for different rooms, eliminating cross-contamination and improving overall cleanliness. The accompanying power dock base station handles self-emptying, 100 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and long-interval dust bag storage. Enhanced mobility lets it navigate under low furniture and climb thresholds up to 8 centimeters, while voice control and smart home integration with Alexa, Siri, Google Home, and Matter simplify operation. Designed for large, multi-surface homes, the Matrix10 Ultra minimizes manual maintenance and delivers thorough cleaning performance with exceptional automation. Number 2. Robotic Crevo Convex. The robotic Crevo Convex is a premium robot vacuum and mop that blends powerful cleaning performance with advanced automation for hassle-free home maintenance. Equipped with up to 22,000 Pascals hyperforce suction, it tackles deep carpet debris, pet hair, and stubborn dirt with ease, while its dual anti-tangle system minimizes hair wrap around brushes. Its ultra-slim 7.98 centimeters profile and retract sense navigation allow it to glide under low furniture and map your entire home efficiently. The suite of sensors, including structured light and an RGB camera, enables reactive AI obstacle recognition to detect and avoid common household objects without pre-tidying. The innovative Adapti-Lift chassis adjusts height to clear thresholds and navigate varied floor levels smoothly. The multifunctional Thermo Plus dock conducts hot water mop washing, 80 degrees Celsius, automatic drying, self-emptying, and refilling, keeping maintenance minimal. Smart app and smart home controls further simplify scheduling, mapping, and customization for a truly hands-off clean. Number 3. Eufy E25 Omni. The Eufy E25 Omni is an all-in-one robot vacuum and mop designed for powerful, automated floor care. It pairs up to 20,000 Pascals turbo suction with an innovative hydrojet mopping system that uses dual water reservoirs and scrapers to keep the rolling mop continuously clean as it works. This combination tackles embedded dust, hair, and spills across hard floors and low-pile carpets with impressive efficiency. Advanced LiDAR mapping and RGB camera obstacle recognition guide the robot intelligently through your home while avoiding clutter. The all-in-one Omni station drastically reduces maintenance by automatically self-emptying debris, self-washing and hot air drying the mop, refilling water, dispensing detergent, and collecting wastewater. Anti-tangle duo spiral brushes and the corner rover arm enhance edge and hair pickup performance. App and voice control simplify scheduling and customization for a hands-off cleaning experience. Number 4. Narwhal Flow. The Narwhal Flow is an advanced all-in-one robot vacuum and mop engineered for deep, automated floor cleaning with minimal user intervention. At its core is the Flow Wash mopping system, which continuously refreshes mop water with dual tanks and hot water, while a built-in scraper removes dirt in real time, preventing streaks and spreading of grime. Its powerful vacuum delivers up to 22,000 Pascal suction, and carpet-focused technology automatically boosts performance on rugs and carpets, extracting embedded dust and hair. Intelligent Twin AI obstacle avoidance uses dual RGB cameras and onboard processing to recognize more than 200 object types and navigate cluttered homes precisely. The dynamic cleaning design reaches edges and corners with an extendable mop and reversing side brushes. Narwhal Flow's ultra-slim body slides under low furniture and climbs thresholds up to 40 mm. Its multifunction base station automates self-emptying, hot water mop washing, warm air drying, and long-interval dust storage, enabling hands-free operation for weeks. Smart app and voice support add scheduling and customization for effortless everyday cleaning. Number 5. SwitchBot K11 Plus. The SwitchBot K11 Plus is a compact, smart robot vacuum designed to deliver powerful cleaning in smaller homes and tight spaces without sacrificing convenience. Despite its ultra-small footprint, it offers up to 6,000 pascal suction power to lift dust, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors more effectively than many entry-level models. Its LDS LiDAR laser navigation and PSD side sensors create precise maps of your home for efficient, systematic cleaning while avoiding obstacles and falls. The included self-emptying base station holds up to 4 L of dust, enough for weeks of cleaning without emptying. Twin anti-tangle brushes help reduce hair wrap, and a modular mop pad adds light floor wiping capability. Full Matter Smart Home compatibility lets you control the K11 Plus via Apple Home, Alexa, or Google Home for hands-free operation. Designed for practicality and automation, it's a strong choice for everyday cleaning in compact living spaces. So, guys, that's all for the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2026. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.